Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to learn something about Earth's rotation and day and night. Rotation and day and night. But before getting over there, let's look at this beautiful picture and understand what is this exactly. This object that we are seeing is called globe. It's called globe. Globe is the model of the Earth. It looks very similar to Earth and has all the components. Just like Earth has all the land on it, globe also has it. Also, water bodies. All water bodies are also there. In addition to that, there are also North Pole and South Pole. North Pole is the uppermost part of the Earth. North Pole is the uppermost part of the Earth. South Pole is the lowermost part of the Earth. South Pole is the lowermost part of the Earth. The Earth also rotates on its axis. The Earth rotates on its axis. Axis is the support that the Earth has, but we cannot see. Axis is something that we cannot see, but it is the support that Earth has to rotate. अर्थ को रोटेट करने के लिए, मूव करने के लिए, टर्न अराउंड करने के लिए एक मदद की जरूरत होती है, एक सपोर्ट की जरूरत होती है. दैट सपोर्ट is the axis. Axis is the center on which the earth rotates. We have seen three things: North Pole, uppermost part of the earth; South Pole, lowermost part of the earth; and axis, the center or the support at which earth rotates. Let's look at something different now. We have been talking about rotation. What exactly it is? What is rotation? Let's see. We are seeing the earth move, like turning around, like on its own position in this video. That is called rotation, my friends. Rotation is the turn around movement of the earth on its own axis. The turn around movement of the earth on its own axis. But in this video, can we see the axis? No, right? But still the earth is rotating. The earth is turning around on its own axis. It is called rotation. It is called rotation. रोटेशन मतलब जब अर्थ अपनी जगह पर, अपनी एक्सिस पर सपोर्ट के साथ टर्न अराउंड मूवमेंट करती है. Another example of rotation. In this video, look at the girl. She is holding the ball on her finger. The finger provides a support. Hence, the finger acts like an axis. And the ball is rotating. Ball अपनी जगह पर move कर रहा है. Rotating. Wonderful. Let's take 1 minute and try to answer these questions in our notebook. Pause the video, write all the questions and answers in your notebook. Question number 1. What are the two poles of the earth? Number 2. A model of the earth is called. Number 3. Can we see earth's axis? Yes or no? 4. What is rotation of the earth? Take 1 minute and write all the answers and questions as well in your notebooks. Moving on. Fact time, friends. Do you all know that Earth takes 24 hours to rotate on its own axis? 24 hours, my friend. यानी कि पूरा एक दिन. Earth इतना बड़ा है. Earth is so huge. Earth is so big that it takes 24 hours, पूरा एक दिन, 1 day, to rotate on its own axis. How long do you take to rotate on your own axis? हमें turn around करने में कितना time लगता है? I think I take 1 second only. But Earth take 24 hours. Earth takes 24 hours to rotate on its own axis. Okay, friends, now that we have learned about rotation, what do you think is day and night? What do you think is day and night? Day, the time when we see the sun in the sky. Day is the time of the day. Daytime is that time of the day when we see the sun in the sky. When we see the sun in the sky. And night time is that time of the day when we see moon in the sky. Night time is the time of the day when we see moon in the sky. And daytime we see sun in the sky. Why do you think it is like that? ऐसा क्यों होता है, friends? Let's think about it. Why? Yes, it is because of the rotation of the earth. Because earth is turning around on its own axis. Earth is turning around. Earth is moving around on its own axis. So the part of the earth, वो वाला part of the earth which faces the sun, जो sun की तरफ देख रहा है, that part of the earth gets light. It got light. And the part of the earth जो sun की तरफ नहीं देख रहा है, that part has night. That part has night. Because it is not able to get earth's sun's light. Because it is not able to get the light of the sun. But do you think it is same for every country, every place that we see on the globe? No, right? Half part of the day is getting light, and half part of the earth is not getting light. So the part of the earth which is getting light has day. The part of the earth which is not getting light has night. And the part which will have now night. So we have equal amount of day and night. All right. So we have equal amount of day and night. All right. So what is day and night? Day is that time of the day of 24 hours when we see sun in the sky. Night is that time of the day when we see moon in the sky. Why is it so? Because the part of the earth which sees the sun, जो sun की तरफ face करता है, जो sun को देखता है, that part receives the light from the sun, and hence we can see the sun in the sky during day. sun का light होता है day के time. और जो part sun का light receive नहीं कर पाता, वो part night होता है और वो moon को देखता है, because moon is also somewhere here and is also revolving around the earth, because moon is a satellite. We have all learned that, right? Hence we can see the moon in the sky during night time. And the earth, when the earth moves, when the earth turns around, the part which has night will now get day, and the part which has day will now get night. All right. So this is what day and night looks like. We will move on and try to answer some questions that we all can see on the screen. Pause the video and write questions and answers in your notebook. And this is the end of today's lesson, friend. Try and write all the answers in your notebook and send it to Didi. All right. Thank you so much, friends, for being patient, watching the video. And we will see in the class next time with new subject, new topic. All right. Bye-bye.